Scoutcraft 2.1. In this section, you are supposed to tie a reef knot and a round turn with 2 half hitches. If you have already watched the Scoutcraft 1.1, when you're hanging the ditty bag line, you're actually doing a round turn and putting 2 half hitches on that round turn. So you actually have already finished that level, but we'll do it again just to reinforce the skill. Reef knot, also known as the square knot. And this is where it comes in really handy, having 2 different colors in your rope. I've got a blue and a red. So for this one, I will cross the blue over the red and loop it back through, pull it back through the circle. Now we have a half hitch. Now the next step is important. The side that I started with going over top, the blue, I need to repeat. So blue over red, pull it back through the circle, and now tighten. And that is a reef knot, or also called a square knot. And we'll do it again. This time, let's go with black over green. Black over green, looping it through, half hitch. Now we do another half hitch, but this time black over the green, loop it through, pull, another reef knot. And again, I have my red and yellow, but this time I'll say left over right, right over left. I start with left because I'm left-handed. 3 reef knots, 3 square knots. Second half of Scoutcraft 2.1, tying a round turn with 2 half hitches. In 1.1, we used a simulated tree, 2 trees, to tie a ditty bag line. This time, we're going to use the doweling for helping us do a round turn with 2 half hitches. So we go around the tree, and now I've got my red and my blue lines here. I'll pull my blue light tighter, take the red, cross over the blue, and pull tight. That's my half hitch. Now I'm going to take the red and pull it over the blue again and pull it tight. Well, that 2 half hitches is a reef knot. If I was to pull the blue line tight and tight like that, now you'll see the reef knot has changed its shape, but it's still a reef knot. So 2 half hitches with the round turn is actually a round turn with a reef knot, depending upon how you tie it. But the way I tied it, it winds up being a reef knot. We'll do that again with the yellow rope. This time I'll just go around once with the rope. I don't have to go around twice. So I'm just going to tie it here. I got the yellow side going over top of the red this time. Pull that tight. Now go to the yellow over top of the red again and pull it tight. There's the reef knot. And if you pull that tight, pull the red side tight, the reef knot changes and looks like that. Let's just do that one more time. And I think it's better actually with the round turn if you actually go around the turn. This time I've got black going over green, black over green, pull it tight, black back over green, pull it tight. There's our round turn, 2 half hitches, which is actually, in this case, a reef knot.